I think the sun is legitimately brighter in Texas. Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Today, I've got some more quirky stuff to share with you from my friend James Hannibal over at Quirky QRP. Check out these new shirts. Hey bro, you're 5'9 plus 20 again. I love it. He's also got some other stuff I want to share with you when it comes to the vehicles behind me. Both of them. It's mail day here in Texas, and I got a package from the Department of whatever the heck they want to call it, because it doesn't make a bit of difference to me, but it's what I got to do by order of law in order to drive in this country. Let's open it up. Oh, this looks pretty sweet. I can't wait to get this thing on the back of the car. Let's go do this. And then this is where things get a little quirky, because we have a Quirky QRP license plate frame that shows that we're monitoring 146.52, which we are doing ever since we got the IC7100 installed at Huntsville Hamfest with the rest of the toads up on Montesano. I don't know why I said Santo. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh yeah, that's sexy right there. Texas radio operator, Kilo Mike 9 Golf, monitoring 146.52. Looks pretty good on the front too. Maybe you didn't know this, but you can get the same tag on multiple vehicles if you're a ham radio operator. So now I've got KM9G on my truck and KM9G on my trailer. In order to get this totally awesome shirt or this totally awesome license plate frame, you gotta head over to Etsy, because Etsy's where you put stuff that you made yourself and want to share with all your friends. And over on Etsy, James has got a ton of stuff. Reference charts, antennas, push-to-talk buttons, more antennas, little tiny radios, watch bands, really awesome new clocks, signal boosters. We know what that used to be before it was a signal booster. There is the license plate frame for $19.99. Protectors for your gear, neat little insulated mugs, lots of really awesome stuff. Link in the description for more information. James has got pages and pages of stuff on that website. Too much for me to share in one little video with you guys, but I wanted to let you know that it was there and that the new t-shirts and license plate frames were out. There's a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.